In this video, I'm going to explain all about the meaning of the new trophy idea and how you can join in making a trophy yourself, and if you win, you will use your trophy as an official prize signature for the weekly and later on the 30-minute competition. And I will use this video a few times depending on when it's time to make another trophy again. We do things step by step. I hope that makes a bit of sense. First, I'll explain the idea a little bit more, and then we're going to talk about what you need to do and know in order to join in. This idea came off Iris Jack, and he thought it would be a good idea if we start working with trophies, which you can or either place on your profile, where you show all your Blender artwork, or you can either place it onto your artwork which has won a competition, just to show people around that you really have won a competition and you don't have to go all the way back to Discord, search up your Hall of Fame. This is not only fun to just show around, but it can also be a good thing if you're searching for Blender work. Now in this case we will start off doing this with the weekly. You can get a community vote. Later on, we're going to build this up with more and more trophies, maybe even medals. And I think this is a very fun idea, but the best thing of all is you guys get to design the trophy on the top of the base. And then we're gonna vote who got the best trophy on the top of the base. And then your model is gonna be used for all the competitions if you like to join up for it. And to give you a better idea what you actually need to do, I'm just going to show this model down here. So I have actually been making a small base down here. You don't have to do anything with this in your blend file. You don't need to texture it, you don't need to color it, you don't need to change anything to it. We're going to leave that up to Iris Jack in order to do what he thinks is the best with it. And of course there will be some letters onto it, showing and proving that you've actually won at the Grand Gabbitt community. And that can or either be a weekly competition, a 30-minute competition, there will be a date on it, all to just show, prove that you have won a competition just for fun, or to show your boss that wants to see how good you are that you've actually won some competitions. Now let me explain you a little bit what you need to do in order to join in. Of course, first you need to agree that your model is going to be used for all the competitions. And the second of all, you are going to need to download the blend file on the announcement tab. And the only thing that you are going to see is this trophy base. So I'm just going to turn this off. This is what you're going to see. And the only thing that you are going to do is make a very nice statue or anything that you think that would fit in for a weekly competition vote on the top of it. Now I do recommend to not go for a very high model, but just keep it twice the size of this base maximum. Just put it on there, texture it, make it look nice, and then when we have chosen a winner for it, you're gonna take your blend file and I'm gonna give it to Jack, or Jack is taking it, and then he will fill in some letters. And of course, ironically enough, this first trophy will be for you. You can place it on a profile as in a big picture, or as what I did down here, you can place it at the side of the corner that your picture actually have won a trophy. So that's the first thing. Download the blend file from the announcement in the weekly announcement. You only have the model at the top that goes onto the base stand, which is in this case Suzanne. You should only give the top model a texture or a material. Iris Jack will take care for everything underneath it. And when you submit the render of your trophy, also make sure to add the blend file with it. It's very important. The last step, make sure you pack all the texture and materials into your blend file. And also remove anything else that is not necessary. So in this case, this camera is not necessary. This light on the back is not necessary. Then you're gonna go to File, External Data, and pack all into Blend. And then everything will be sent over. Very important to do. And if this is becoming a success, we will do more trophies. Like I said, maybe medals. We're going to do it for the 30-minute. We're going to do all kinds of fun stuff, and we want to do more for the community. And Iris Jack is just going to take care that everything will be nice listed on here. If you have any questions about this, then let me know down below in the comment section. Of course, if you have some ideas that you would like to share or would like to bring in for the Grand Abbott community, for the weekly, for the 30-minute, then you can come to Grand Abbott's Discord. There is a link in the description. And with that being said, good luck and may the best one win.